Welcome and good day to you. We will be learning how to use the magnetic susceptibility balance and the sample preparations. For solid sample, you need a mortar and a pestle, as well as a capillary tube. Make sure your capillary tube is dry and clean. Weight it using the mass balance and record down the mass. Switch on the instrument. Wait until a zero value is obtained. Carefully rotate the capillary tube into the sample holder. Do not forcefully push it in. Press the tare function and observe the display to ensure the numerical value of 0 is displayed. Remove the sample tube by rotating it upwards. Use a metal spatula and place a lot of sample onto the pestle. Take your mortar and grind it into powder form. Make sure that they're as fine as possible. Do that again many times. This should approximately take maybe 20 seconds. Using your capillary tube, scoop up your solid, put it vertically, and tap the end carefully. Okay, make sure all the solid settles down, and then scoop it up some more. Do this process again and again until the length lies between 15 to 25 millimeter. And there's one final scoop and it's ready. Measure the length of the sample packed in the tube using a piece of ruler. Now insert the tube with your sample inside. Gently rotate the capillary tube into the balance without using too much of force in case you break it. Press the length function button and observe the display. Enter the length by pressing the appropriate 3 number keys in order. Press the weight function button and observe the display. The indicator will return to the XV tare display. Press the Max Suits button and observe the display. Remove your sample tube. Bring your capillary tube with your sample into the waste film hood. Invert it and give a slight tap at the end to allow all the sample to come out. Add some dilute nitric acid into your capillary tube. Wash the tube a few times to ensure that the whole tube is clean. Rinse the capillary tube with acetone for several times. Place the capillary tube in the oven for about 10 minutes. for liquid samples. You need a glass pipette, a rubber cap, and of course your capillary tube. After placing an empty sample tube of known weight to the detector and obtain a reading, press the tab function and observe the display. Remove the tube. Withdraw some of your sample using a glass pipette and insert it in your capillary tube. Measure the length of the liquid in your capillary tube and make sure that it is between 15 to 25 millimeters. You can now place it in the magnetic susceptibility balance and continue with the measurement.